Hello again.
What's up, guys?
We are now going to get our blizzards from Dairy Queen, the new Circus Animal blizzards. So I'm really excited about that.
Me too.
So we will see you there. So apparently everybody is here
Yeah, what the hell is this?
for the blizzard, and hopefully they still have it when we get up there, or I'm going to be very sad.
I'm gonna throw a riot.
There it is.
We're doing mediums?
Yeah.
Yeah, can we do 2 of the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard?
We're actually out of that one currently.
So apparently this Dairy Queen is out of that blizzard, so we're trying a different Dairy Queen.
So
Here we are, 20 minutes away to the other Dairy Queen because the only other close one was in the mall, which is obviously closed. So there's a long line, and I really hope they have it or I'm going to be disappointed, and I don't know.
This is a joke. 2 medium Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzards. Yeah, can I do a number 3 with ketchup, mustard, and cheese only?
Here they are.
Dive right in there.
And he also got a burger and fries. Here it is.
Finally.
Tastes just like Circus Animals and ice cream. Oh, it's so good.
I don't know how to describe it. Just a ton of sugar.
Easily 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
It was worth the extra trip to the extra Dairy Queen.
I was about to say that. Yeah, definitely worth the longer trip.
I've always loved Circus Animals. Who hasn't?
I don't even know how to describe it.
Like a Frosted Animal Cookie milkshake. Now if they could just make this carb free, because this has what, like 116 of them?
Yeah, this is just a medium.
Keep dreaming, Kirby. You too, Gotti. Highly, highly, highly recommend going out and getting this Circus Animal Blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Yep, you have to. It's a must.
Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments. Let us know what else you would like to see us review, eat, where we would go on a hike, just whatever else in general. And be sure to subscribe for more. We really appreciate it. Bye.